Good morning. This Frigidaire washing machine and dryer. So the top side is a dryer, and this side is a washing machine. So the problem of this is not spinning. Commonly the problem of this machine, if not spinning, is sometimes the door lock. If there's a problem, so spin not working. And this is the board, the water sensor, water level sensor, I mean, the drain pump, the main motor, the clutch assembly. It's weight guys, it's weight. So pumping is working but not yet spinning. Still not spinning guys, not spinning. Di ko malimutan ang iyong mga larawan. What's the color of the motor? It's the motor. The motor has 3 wires, white, blue, and yellow, the color wire. That is for the main motor wires, and the 2 wires is for the sensors. Not yet working guys. I need to replace this water sensor. The water level sensor. See? It's coming error call. So let's try to replace the sensor. Hello guys, please continue guys. So I replace the water level sensor for this kind of fridge. Mapimipta. So it's working now. So there's three common problem for this machine while not spinning. First, the door lock switch. So if not door lock not working, it will not spin. The second is the water level sensor. So if the machine cannot detect the level of the water, it not spin, or even in the was programmed, it's not work properly, guys. That's very important. This is a sensor for water level. This is an old design water level, so many terminals. This newish design of washing machine for an inverter, just only 2 wires, 3 wires, but it's too many wires. And that in the last, guys, is the main board. So that's the problem, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe. So the fridge washing machine is working now. It's spinning now. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe and don't forget to like my videos. This is a fridge.